Hi guys, so today I want to show you how you can make your favorite shirt what you have. So I recommend that you take old shirt and trace it on a paper, cut it out, and then use it for sewing, or you can directly put the shirt on top of the fabric and cut with a rotary cutter or scissors if you don't have a rotary cutter, and use these little heavyweights. So I'm gonna do this second method. Next time I'm gonna show you how I make my own pattern. So let's start. This fabric, I don't know if you can see, it's two-way fabric. So I'm gonna try to maybe use today this side to be up bottom, and maybe to make reversible shirt. I can do that. I can make reversible, and this shirt, these zippers are just beautiful as decoration, but I never really use them, so I don't think today I'm gonna put zippers at all. I'm gonna just make shirt without zippers. So it's very important to look for the stretch of the fabric. So I picked exact the same fabric like my blouse, so it's one way stretchable a little bit, as you can see this way, and it's the same thing, just the cotton blend with little elastic. So usually used for sweatshirts and everyday clothes. So I need to stop tossing this fabric around, right? So let me cut it first. So as I said, let's see what's the stretchable side. This side, okay. So what I would do now, I would put on a half like this, the shirt, and the same thing I would do fabric, and then put the blouse on the top. If it's too much, move it a little bit back. Don't waste your fabric. And I always save scraps of fabric to make something out of it for kids' project or headbands. Okay, this looks fine. So when you double the fabric, you put the shirt like this, half side and a half, and then cut with scissors or with rotary cutter, whatever you like. Side. So let's open to show you. Yes, I left longer a little bit because I think my shirt definitely needs to be a little bit longer than it is. So the second piece, I'm gonna do the same thing, but it's gonna be just slightly shorter. So let's do the same thing. So when we cut the shirt, then I'm gonna use the pins and put it together like this. So 1 inch from the sewing part. Don't forget this is a sleeve, stays open, and the bottom then needs to go on the top to hold the fabric. So I would use serger for this project. You can use just regular sewing machine.